Ditch the boring and jump into making your text pop with life in Adobe Animate. First, open Adobe Animate and set up a new document. I'm using a standard Full HD size here. Head over to the Tools panel and select the Text tool, which looks like a capital T. Now, click and drag on the stage to create a text box. This is where your words will live. Type the text you want to animate. I'll go with something simple: hello world. With your text selected, go to the Properties panel. This is usually on the right-hand side here. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment to make your text look awesome. I'm picking a bold font and increasing the size so it's easier to see. Next up, let's animate it. Go to your timeline, right-click on the frame where you want your animation to end. Choose Insert Keyframe for a smooth starting effect. Change the text position. Now, rewind the playhead to frame 1. Your text should change position from its original starting position. This will create the motion effect. To test that motion, press the play button and watch your animated transformation. Finally, to create motion graphics, right-click on the segment in the timeline between the keyframes and, from the contextual menu, choose Create Classic Tween. This turns those static frames into a movement style. Press play and watch it. And that's the basics of text animation in Adobe Animate. Play around with different effects, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your animation skills.